In this video, we'll solve the differential equation y minus x dy dx is equal to a into y square plus dy dx. So we'll write down the solution. Y minus x dy dx is equal to a into y square plus dy dx, which is the given equation. This implies y minus x dy dx is equal to a into y square plus, we are opening the bracket on the right hand side, so a into y square plus a into dy dx. Then what we'll do, we'll write down the dy dx terms with dy dx on the one side and without dy dx on the other side. So it will be like y minus a into y square. If we bring this a into y square to the left hand side, it will be y into a into y square is equal to, on the right hand side we had a into dy dx, and on our left hand side we have x dy dx, which is brought to the right hand side, dy dx. This implies y minus a into y square is equal to, we can take dy dx common from these two terms, so it will become a plus x into dy dx, which implies this again can be written as y minus ay square divided by, if we divide both sides by a plus x, it will be y minus ay square on the left hand side, then a plus x is equal to dy dx. Then how we can write, if we multiply it is cross multiply the dx to the left hand side, then it will become dx will go to the numerator of the left hand side, so it will become dx by a plus x is equal to dy by y into y minus a y square. So on the left hand side, dx by a plus x, this is not d, this is a, it will be easy to integrate, but on the right hand side we have dy by y minus ay square, so that will be a little difficult to integrate, but still we'll make some simplification implies. So I'm coming from the below, so this is dx by a plus x is equal to dy by y, if we take common, 1 minus ay. So on the right hand side we have got dy by y into a minus 1 minus ay. So we will have to do this factorization, y into 1 minus ay. Now we have let us write down like this. Let us take 1 by, so we are not taking dy, only the part without dy, y into 1 minus ay is equal to a by y plus b by 1 minus ay, which implies if we multiply all the terms by y into 1 minus ay, this will become 1 is equal to a into, so this y get cancelled. If we multiply this first term a by y into 1 minus ay, 1 minus ay will remain plus b into, again 1 minus ay get cancelled if we cross multiply, and then only y will remain. Now we'll have to find out the value of a and b. So how we'll find the value of a and b? If we substitute say b equal to 0, now putting not b, sorry, y equal to 0, because we need the value of a and b. Putting y equal to 0, we get 1 equal to, so if you multiply a into y, it will be 0. So and b into y is 0, only a will remain, which implies the value of a is 1. In the next step, we have to find out the value of b. So if you substitute the value of y as 1 by a, then a get cancelled, only 1 will remain. 1 minus 1 0, 0 into a 0, so this part will become 0. Then b will get the value of b. Again substituting y is equal to 1 by a, we can give a equation number here. Say this is star. Now putting y equal to 0 in star, we can write, or now again substituting y equal to 1 by a in star, it will become left hand side will remain same, a equal to, so a into, if we substitute the value of y is 1 by a, so a get cancelled, 1 minus 1 0, so this part will become 0, only b will remain. So b into 1 by a, which implies b is equal to small a. Therefore, so 1 by y into 1 minus ay, from this equation we will get 1 by y is equal to, so value of a is 1, so it will be 1 by y plus the value of b is a, so a by 1 minus ay. Now we can easily integrate this function. We can give a number for this equation, say this one is equation number 1. Then what we can do, this equation, say double star, substituting double star in to equation 1, we get, so what was in equation 1, let us see, dx by a plus x equal to dy by y into 1 minus ay. So this will become dx by a plus x is equal to, now when you substitute the equation double star in the equation number 1, we will get 1 by y plus a by 1 minus ay into dy. Again I can write dx by a plus x is equal to 1 by y dy plus a by 1 minus ay dy. Now we can integrate easily. Integrating we get, let us make some more space, integration of dx by a plus x is equal to integration of 1 by y dy plus integration of a by 1 minus ay dy. Now we can easily integrate this dx by 1 plus a plus x, it will be log a plus x, this will be log of y, and this case this is log of 1 minus ay with minus sign, because with y the value of a is negative but this a is positive, so one minus sign will come. This implies log of a plus x equal to log of y plus, it will become minus log of 1 minus ay plus log of c. So where c is a constant of integration, we can combine now. So this is log of a plus x is equal to, if we combine all these three terms, y, 1 minus ay and log c, this will become c into y, sorry, log will come, divided by, since it is negative, 1 minus a y. Taking antilog, a plus x is equal to cy into 1 minus ay. Taking anti-logarithm, so you can cross multiply a minus y, it will be a plus x into 1 minus ay, which is equal to c into y. So which is the required solution?